Hey everyone! Today we're going to be making the very healthy scallops. Alright, what you're going to need. Of course, right here in front of you are scallops. Then you're going to need some silver noodles right there. And then some garlic and green onions. This is all you need for the scallop recipe. Now you're just going to chop up some green onions and garlic. And now you're going to pour some boiling water into a bowl with the silver noodle. And then you're just going to pour it into this ceramic bowl right here we got. So just a little bit of boiling water with it. And then you're going to get a hot pan with some avocado or olive oil. You're just going to move around you're going to put some garlic in, and then you're just going to move it around until it's starting to get a little bit gold. So now it's nice and golden, kind of brownish. It smells very nice, the fragrance. And then now you're going to come over to the scallops and you're going to put that on the fire and move the garlic off of the fire. You're just going to put the scallops in with this noodles now. And then you're going to pour some soy sauce on, just a little bit on the top. And now right on the top, the beautiful garlic that should smell just absolutely amazing, and it's so healthy for you. Just going to pour that on the top. Then you're going to put a lid on and let it steam for 10 minutes. Now when you're done, it should look like this. And then you're just going to put the lid on. Now it should be ready to serve. Thank you, Mom, for cooking this scallop noodle dish. And let's get to the tasting. We got our beautiful, magnificent scallop dish right here. The scallop looks absolutely delicious. Scallops are full of protein. All seafood is really good for you. Garlic is also really good for you. The green onions. There's also some soup, but we're just going to eat it with a fork for now. All right, we got our scallops right here. Right here. Looks absolutely delicious. I'm going to grab some noodles. Try to get a little bit of garlic and onion with this. Let's try it. It's so delicious. These scallop taste amazing. You can taste the garlicky flavor, and the green onions just make it really good. The noodles with the scallop just makes it really perfect. This is really delicious. Scallops taste amazing, and cooking them this way is one of the best ways you can cook them. So I definitely recommend you to do this dish. Scallops are just filled with protein. Garlics are really good for you. Green onions also very good for you. Scallops, seafood's always the best. So this is just an overall amazing dish. I would rate this a 10 out of 10 dish. This is just amazing, and I recommend you follow along. All right, so that's about it for today, and I'll see you in the next vid. Peace.